Hi, if you're wondering whether you can set up this Google Pixel Watch free without a phone or not, let's figure it out. First off, it's important to know right away that you cannot set up your Google Pixel Watch free without connecting it to a phone. Unlike some other devices that offer standalone operations, this smartwatch depends on a connection to complete its setup. To begin the process, you need to ensure you have your phone ready and you need to download this Pixel Watch app like that. And this is an Android phone, but you can do the same on iPhones. So this app will guide you through the necessary steps to pair your watch with your phone. Follow these instructions closely. And of course, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and watch to ensure a seamless connection. The app will prompt you to detect and connect to your Google Pixel Watch free. And once connected, you'll be able to use your watch with its functionality, enjoy all its smart features alongside your smartphone. So, this is how the app looks. Here you can change watch faces, customize your watch. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.